I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching the method to the hardware. Optical, ultrasonic, or capacitive sensors behave differently, so identify yours first. Once done, clean the display with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl. This removes oils without damaging coatings. Then wash and fully dry your hands. Moisture and lotion change ridge pattern contact. Next, make sure any screen protector is compatible and fitted evenly so the sensor can read consistently. And prepare to enroll or re-enroll fingerprints immediately. You'll now perform a careful enrollment. Place each finger at different angles, edges, and pressure to capture full ridge variation, and repeat to reach 100% coverage. While enrolling, test in low, medium, and bright lighting. Sensors can behave differently depending on reflection. Make small rotations between taps and include slight pressure changes. If you use a screen protector, check reads during enrollment and adjust its position for uniform contact. Also ensure the device firmware and biometric drivers are current. To keep fingerprints reading reliably over time. You must maintain both screen and finger hygiene. Wipe the display daily and after sweaty or dirty activities, and keep hands moisturized but not greasy. Once in a while, re-enroll key fingers, especially after cuts, skin changes, or replacing a protector, so the template stays accurate. If recognition fails, restart the device, run any sensor calibration tool, remove and reapply the protector, and finally re-enroll fingerprints. If that still fails, contact support for sensor inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.